Okay,
Yes,
I'm recording now.
The Christian Recovery Ministry.
Yes, I'm talking about specifically, you said, I'm talking about the ministry that goes out and tries to get donations from people on the street, Mr. Wilson. Minister
Yes,
Wilson.
ma'am, that's what we do.
That's part of your ministry? I thought you were with the ministry helping the homeless.
I'm part of the ministry, ma'am. It's not my ministry.
Oh, so you just volunteering with the ministry.
Yes,
You're a minister?
I've been rescued from the streets by this ministry.
You're a minister.
I was once the target. I went from homeless, using, to clean and sober to the pulpit preaching.
And you're a preacher, but you are part of the ministry that collects donations.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're not here every day.
What is this?
I'm just getting information so I can help you.
Man,
you out here?
I was rescued from homelessness and addiction by this ministry.
But I'm
that
just
was
asking,
3 years ago.
How often you stay out here? I saw some of you.
Often. We go, I don't know
all
exactly.
over Houston?
All over Houston. And it's right. We even go out of town, man. We're a traveling ministry.
Okay, to collect donations?
God bless you, sister.